Our lives would be unimaginable without electricity. The objective of this project, carried out by a research team from Universitat Jaume I and Universitat Politècnica de València, is to secure the future of this asset in a reliable manner. Currently, we are experiencing a period of profound change in our energy systems. We are evolving from a fossil fuel-based model towards one in which renewable energies such as wind or solar power are predominant. Could you imagine being deprived of an electricity supply? In the future, these renewable energy power plants will have to be capable of starting up without being connected to the main electricity grid. This process is known as blackstart. Without this function, which is currently carried out by some conventional power stations, it would be impossible to restore power to the system in the event of an outage. In order to facilitate this restoration of power, a technological procedure has been developed which will enable the black start of an offshore wind generation plant connected through a direct current link without the support of an external electrical grid. To achieve this, when there has been an outage and the power station has been disconnected, the wind generators begin to supply energy to the internal network, gradually increasing the voltage. When the voltage reaches the required level, the converter which transforms the voltage from alternating into direct current is energized, feeding the underwater direct current line. The voltage in the plant continues to increase and a second converter is fed, which has the role of converting the direct current to alternating current. At the right time, the connection breaker is switched on and power is supplied to the main grid. The entire process is carried out by controlling each of the active elements of the plant synchronously. Working for the development of new energy technologies and the effective integration into current electrical systems.